Today I'm just going to give you a quick tip. This is Mercedes C300. I'm just going to show you guys how to replace the propeller shaft the easy way. So the propeller shaft, guys, is just under the next to the transmission. So when you come under the car and then you come to the transmission area right there, that's the propeller shaft. It just comes all the way and then goes all the way right there to the front. It has like a cover or something right there. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. So it's gonna be easy. You're gonna remove this kind of like it's a holding thing holding the engine, the transmission and the exhaust. So what you guys should you can do is you just get in the transmission thing right there. We have two bolts holding the exhaust. You take them two. One is right there, one is just on top right there. Another one is you can see from here, it's all the way in there. They are 13mm. You take them out, you disconnect the oxygen sensor right there, and then you move out this is 13mm. You open them, and then you open this. They're either 13mm or 12mm. There's two of them, and then you take these two again, take them out, and then you open again the exhaust two. There are two bolts, two right here. There's one right over there. Let me just zoom it out. It's not showing really well. Yeah, one is right over there, and then another one is guys, is right over here. There are two. Take them out. You disconnect the connectors of the oxygen sensor from here, and then you come back right here. You disconnect the exhaust from here. You can disconnect one or both of them to give you access, and then that's when guys, you can remove the this exhaust right here. Then once you take it out, you will have access, and then you take out the cover to this propeller shaft. Once you take out the cover, you open those number. It's I think is a 45. It's a 45 Torx. You take them out. Then once you finish doing that, guys, I normally prefer you open up this. You open this 16mm balls, and then you support here with something, so that you let it down slowly. And then once you do that, once you open up there, you push it up. You push it up, guys, like between the exhaust manifold. Once you push it up right there, you can be able to push from here with ease. Like you can be able to push it forward with ease. Once it comes forward and then goes all the way in there, and then from there, guys, you can push it out from there, and then you can get it out. Also, guys, to give you more access, you have to remove this guy right here. Is a 8mm. Get it out to give you space to let that thing come out without problems. So that's the tip, guys, of how to do it. I'll show you guys maybe when the thing is out, and then you'll be able to see it. And then I hope really that helps you guys as you do your project from home. Alright, guys, so I got the exhaust out of the way. So you just take them out from here, and then so you have a nice view right here. You can see the right there, you can see the engine mount. So if you want to change the engine mount, guys, this is the right time to do so. You have full access to it. So here also we have access to a propeller shaft right from here. So the same thing goes in there too for the engine mount. It should be just right up there. It should be easy to change it up. So our propeller shaft, what we're supposed to change right here, guys, is we have these three E-bolts, one right here, another one right here, and then another one right there on top. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it should be right there. So from there, once this is out of the way, guys, once this is out of the way, and then you can be able to move out the bolts in there. And now take this propeller shaft, just push it to forward, push it ahead. Then from there, once it's ahead, just push it on top right here, this space right here, push it right on top like that. And then once it goes up like that, and then you can just pry it from here. But sometimes I prefer, guys, letting the transmission, just putting it jack and then letting it down, and then opening this transmission support from down there to give it space, so that you have enough space, guys, to push it all in there. That's the trick, guys. This is the trick, is just to let this transmission to just like at least suck down just a little bit, and then it should be able to give you space to pull it all the way. And I'll show you guys next what I'll be when I've moved this out of the way, and then we see what comes up next. Alright, guys, we're just here, so we take this guy right outside, just gets out like that. So we can see our stuff right here. This is the problem with the propeller shaft. You see, like, it's kind of like, this is where it normally gets damaged from. It starts hitting right here in here, start having some problems right there, and then just hits on these sides. Even sometimes it breaks all the bolts, but this one's almost, as you can see, this ball right here is a bit damaged. So that's how it is, guys. So we have to remove all these balls, and then have to push it up. I have to push the exhaust to just move up there, to move into this space right here, so that it gives me enough space to pull it out, to pull it from right there, and then just push it to come forward. Alright, guys, I'll show you when this is out too. Alright, guys, so we're here, so you can just move this out of the way. This out. Okay, right there. So there we go. Right there. I'm gonna push a little bit. Okay, let me push this. Alright, so we've done that side. So we take these out too. Take that, guys. Take that right there. So let's try to move away from right there. So that's out. Guys, I think she'll get out right from there. Okay. Right. Let me just. Guys, when this comes out, you just pry a little bit right there, and you push it on top like that. So normally, guys, sometimes it might just get stuck right here. So because it's just like all the way here, so that's why the important thing to do once it's like this is to just take these balls out, take these balls out too, and then lower it just a little bit, let it come down, and then our thing will go up there, and then we can just push it forward safely, and then that should come out. From inside here, from the lock right inside up there, should be able to come out. I'll show you in a moment, guys, how it comes out. Okay, so guys, once you lower the transmission, once you move out the lower support for the transmission, you should be able to push it like that. It should get past right here. You should be able to go past right here, go on the other side. So once you do that, you just forward this and just push it forward. And once that happens, this should just pop right out. It should come out. So guys, so once you do that, you can just help it out by putting something like a wood right here to just give you some space right here. And then once that is done, I remove this out. I remove this connected to the transmission. Just give you space right here. And then what you do, guys, you just push forward, just hold this, and then just push forward, see right there, space comes up, you know. Yeah guys, you just push forward, and this will just pry out, and then you get a space, and then the chest just comes out, just as easy as that. Alright guys, so once you push it all the way like that, this one just comes out. It comes out from here. So once you do that, you just take it out the way it is, and there you are. Your propeller shaft is out. I hope this video really helps you guys. Enjoy. See you next time guys.